Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top five carry items. Number four on my list has to be a multi-tool. I don't care what size, what shape, how many functions. And even if it just has 3 or 4 functions, some multi-tools are better than others, some are bigger than others. This is just your run-of-the-mill Amazon, eBay, Temu, Alibaba special. Okay, it's bigger than, it's the large, well, I guess it's medium size. The only reason I say that because I have the same thing in a smaller size, and then there's the keychain size. So this one's the bigger, medium size, I guess. There's some that are bigger than that one. But as you can see, there's all the functions right there. You got your pliers, wrench, wire cutter, wire stripper, saw, flathead, bottle opener, awl, knife, Phillips, another flathead with a pry, and a file, dual-sided file. Be careful with your knives, but yeah, there's your saw, there's your Phillips, or your flathead, sorry, with the pry, Phillips right next to it, knife. Knife looks kind of dull, but the tip is dull, but the blade is sharp, if that makes any sense. Okay, tip dull, blade has some life on it. I sharpened it. Saw. The saw right there. And then your bottle opener right there. Another flathead. Your awl. Bottle opener, can opener. Okay. And then your pliers. But yeah, and spring action pliers. Real good. The tip is actually centered. Wow, that is beautiful. That's crazy. On a $5 little pair of multi-tool pliers. So, where would it rank on your list? Number 4 on my top 5. Where would it rank on your top 5 EDC carry items? We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC, over and out.